If you're starting a faceless YouTube channel in 2025, focus on these 10 niches. I analyzed thousands of viral faceless videos to find the easiest and most profitable ones. Many ideas can go viral and make money, but most require advanced skills like scripting, filming, or editing. These 10 niches are different. They are beginner-friendly. You can start them even if you don't have any video skills before, and you can automate most of the work with AI. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy learning about money-making faceless niches in minutes. Our first niche is online money-making. If you're good at explaining concepts clearly, or enjoy digging up ways to make money online, this niche is perfect for you. Picture helping people earn money online without showing your face. Awesome, right? Search How to Make Money Online 2025 on YouTube to see what's hot. Here's the plan. Use ChatGPT to write a script like 5 Easy Side Hustles for 2025. Then record a faceless voiceover, or let an AI tool like 11 Labs do it. Grab stock footage of laptops or money from Pexels, put it together in CapCut, or let an AI tool like Invideo AI to automatically create video with stock footage, and you're good to go. New channels like Monetize with AI or my channel The AI Garage are rocking it with AI tool ideas, while big names like AI Guy and 10x Income show how it's done perfectly. Add affiliate links from ClickBank or Digistore24, and you're set to cash in. Our next niche is ancient philosophy. Imagine sharing old-school wisdom with a modern twist. If you've got a thing for history or can tell stories simply, ancient philosophy is your jam. Try searching Stoicism for Modern Life on YouTube to check it out. New starters like Stoic Journal, which started in 2024, and pros like Philosophies for Life are pulling views like crazy. Here's how. Ask ChatGPT to explain something like Stoicism for today. Record it with a calm, faceless narration or AI voice. Then add stock footage of old ruins from Pixabay. Edit with text animations for cool quotes, and you've got a deep, faceless video ready to roll. Next, we will look to the niche of moral stories. Search short moral stories with lessons on YouTube, and you'll see why it's taking off. If you can write fun tales or love teaching lessons through stories, this is for you. New channels like Wise Vibes and Sky Story in Hindi are growing fast, while vets like DreamSparks get millions of views. Here's the trick. Use ChatGPT to make a story like The Greedy Fox, narrate it with a faceless voiceover or AI, then create simple animation visuals with Leonardo AI. Edit it in Canva with text overlays for the big lesson, and you're inspiring people without a camera. Movies and TV shows. This niche is so much fun. Search Movie Recap 2025 on YouTube to see what's up. If you love movies or can break down plots easily, you'll fit right in. Watch a show, then let ChatGPT sum it up or make it funny. Record a faceless voiceover or use AI, add stock footage or trailer clips, and edit it in Invideo AI with text animations like Big Twist to keep it lively. Small channels like Alexander Robinson are starting out strong, while pros like Alex Myers and Think Story rake in millions. Go for quick reviews or long breakdowns. Either way, no face needed. Who loves pets? If you've got a soft spot for animals or can edit cute clips, this niche is a winner. Search Cat Care Tips for Beginners to see the buzz. New channels like Maine Coon Jungle are picking up steam, while big shots like Jackson Galaxy lead the pack. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to list 10 cat facts, record it with faceless narration or AI, grab stock footage of pets from Pexels, and edit it in Invideo AI with text overlays for each fact. Throw in Amazon links for pet stuff, and you've got a faceless hit full of furry vibes. Time to get creepy with scary videos. Search True Scary Stories at Night on YouTube. It's always a hit. If you love spooky stuff or can tell suspenseful tales, this is your spot. Newbies like Mr. Night Scares are climbing up, while vets like Chilling Scares and Mr. Nightmare rule with tons of views. Here's the move. Find real horror stories online or make one with ChatGPT, record a faceless narration or AI voice with a creepy tone, then add eerie stock footage from Pixabay and sound effects. Edit it in CapCut with visual effects to scare them, and you're golden. No face required. Tech fans, listen up. Tech gadget explainers are where it's at. If you love gadgets or can research new tech, this niche is yours. Search Best Gadgets 2025 Explained to see what's trending. New channels like TechBits Central are getting started, while pros like TechZone keep it big. Here's the play. Search tech sites for the latest gadgets and let ChatGPT turn it into a top 5 list. Record a clear, faceless voiceover, or use an AI tool like Descript. Find stock footage on Shutterstock's free tier, edit it in Canva with text boxes for specs, and link Amazon affiliates below. Simple tools, big results. Urban legends, such a cool niche. If you can narrate to grab attention or dig folklore stories, you'll love this. Search Urban Legends Explained on YouTube to feel the vibe. New channels like Midnight Myth Tales are popping up, while vets like Top 5 Unknowns keep it spooky. Here's how. Dig up a legend like Bloody Mary online or brainstorm with ChatGPT. Record a faceless narration with your mic or AI via 11 Labs voice tool. Grab stock footage of old houses from Pexels, use CapCut to layer in text fades for mystery, and tweak the audio with free reverb effects. Keeps it low-tech but creepy. Let's get moving with fitness motivation. Search fitness motivation shorts on YouTube to see the energy. If you can write inspiring lines or love fitness, this is your game. The channels like Body Hub is rocking with faceless content. Here's the move. Type up quick motivational lines in ChatGPT like, "You're stronger than you think." Record a pumped-up faceless voiceover. Snag stock footage of gym vibes, cut it into shorts with CapCut adding bold text overlays, and drop affiliate links for workout gear. Fast and fiery. Last up, travel. Let's explore the world. If you love travel or can research cool places, this niche is your adventure. Search Best Places to Visit 2025 on YouTube to see the hype. New channels like TravelBit are on the rise, while vets like World According to Briggs get tons of views. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to list 5 secret travel spots. Record a faceless narration or AI voice. Grab drone shots from Pexels and edit in CapCut with text overlays for names. Add flight or hotel affiliate links and you're taking viewers places. All faceless. Content creation in any niche follows a similar process: ideation, media production, and editing. While these steps are straightforward, they can be time-consuming, especially if you're new to the process. Fortunately, you don't have to do everything manually. AI can streamline much of the work for you. For instance, instead of writing a script from scratch, you can provide a basic idea, and AI can generate a complete script in moments. Similarly, rather than spending hours searching for stock footage, AI can instantly pair the perfect clips with your script. To bring your ideas to life effortlessly, I recommend Invideo AI, one of the top AI video making tools available. Just input your concept, specific to any niche, and it handles the rest, creating a polished video complete with a script, footage, voiceover, sound effects, and music. It's a game changer for saving time and boosting efficiency. Check out the link below to try it for yourself. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps me a ton. Seriously, every like is like a high five from you. It motivates me. Next, watch my video about making kids content with AI, where I show how AI turns ideas into kids content.